Hi guys, Miss Chris here from the Fountaindale Library. Today I'm going to show you how to draw like one of my favorite painters, Piet Modrian. These are some examples of his works. If you go online, he also did some very realistic landscapes, but we're going to concentrate on his abstracts, where he used black lines, white background, and red and yellow and blue. You can even add some other colors in there. In my example, I did a little green in here too, because green is my favorite color. You can do totally different colors. He liked those kind of basic colors. Let's get started. So we're going to make a real simple one. You see on his samples here, you can do lots of lines. You can do just a few lines like this one here, or lots of little lines and squares like this one here. Today we're going to make it very simple. I like using a ruler, makes things nice and easy. You can also use another piece of paper. One thing I like about the other piece of paper, maybe I'll show you that too, is you can line it up nice and easy. So if you line up your paper with the other edge of the paper you're drawing on, you're going to get a nice straight line. Whereas sometimes with a ruler, it's easy to go a little wonky. I'm going to show you both ways. So with my little trusty ruler here, you just want to make sure you line them up, because one of the things about these is their shape and how the lines are very straight. So just make sure, I'm going to use this because I like the idea of a wider spot to make sure I'm nice and straight. And I suppose if it gets a little crooked, it's quite all right. Now, I hope you can still see that. I keep kind of coming out of camera range, I think. So, I'm going to do 4 lines. 1, 2, and we'll make this one a little bit smaller. So then, you got the basic shape. Now, you can take your marker or a crayon, and I noticed I got a little, oops, papers flying everywhere. Alright, let's erase my little boo-boo there. So now, there's your basic shape. You can take your marker and you can outline just like he did in all of his. You can make some of them thicker, some of them thinner. I'm going to make them about the same just so you guys can see how it is. Let's get started. As you can see, especially on camera, my lines are not perfect, but for what we're doing, if you have a line that's not exactly how you want it to, just go ahead and make it a little thicker, and then you can make it a little straighter. But I think that's good enough for what we're doing today. And then you're just going to pick your colors for what you want it to look like. So you can make it like one of his. I love the big red square, so I'm going to put red here. So I like blue, so let's put blue over here. I want that to be kind of big too. I'm going to do a couple yellow ones. Oops. I'll try not to break it. Now, I just like red, so I thought I would add half. And since I did that, we'll have to make another black line. You could add all the colors you want. Okay, and notice that from my pencil, my blue kind of ran into this one, so I'm just going to make another line. And remember, like I said, try to make sure your line is nice and straight. Oops, did I pick up the wrong one? I don't know if there it goes. Make sure your line is nice and straight. And I'm just going to fill this one in with a little red to get rid of my blue. You can also use the eraser, but the eraser doesn't do as well with the colored pencils as it would on a regular pencil. Now mine is super simple. This one is super simple. My initial one is also pretty simple. Have fun with it. Thanks for coming, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I can't wait to see what you guys draw. Thanks for coming. Bye-bye.